should pull up to that big house in my
guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's ANTIGORGEOUS here with another video. So this video will be an unboxing video on some new bundles that somebody sent your girl. I actually do know the owner. Her name is Danielle, aka Nini, but she's the new CEO of Journi B hair. It was named after her daughter, her beautiful daughter. Let's just get into the video, y'all. Let's get into it. I'm gonna call her Nini because I know her, we on a name basis, but Nini sent me some bundles from her new hair line that I want you guys to support. This is a black owned business. She's a mother, so go ahead and support her. I'm gonna have her website below and the bundles that I have with the lengths and the styles that I got. So the gray hair that I had that you guys probably saw on my Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, we're gonna fight, because at this point you watch me on YouTube but you don't follow me on Instagram. So follow my Instagram at anti_gorgeous to go see that gray storm hair. But that hair was sent to me by her as well. I'm helping her in developing her business and giving her critique. So this is the first step to doing that, doing an unboxing video, because you know your girl was gonna tell the truth. She is still working on her packaging, but this is pretty cute to me. I honestly don't get too hyped into how my hair come because it's about to go on my head anyway, but it comes in a silk bag like this with the Journi B logo on it. She also sent me some lashes, and the lashes came in a bag like this. And I like the fact that she sends everybody like some gold tweezers to apply her lashes with, and it comes in this cute, this packaging is so dope, and these lashes are dope. So this is the style Bob Marley. Bam, you can never have too many lashes, y'all. I am a lash girl. And now I'm going to show you guys the hair. She sent me a frontal and 3 bundles of hair. I have a 13x4 frontal. It's Indian wavy hair, and this is in 16 inches. So I just come in a bag like this, and I'm going to take it out. So this is the frontal. Looks like this. Of course, I'm gonna have to bleach the knots and all that good stuff, but for the most part, this hair is looking good. Of course, you know, we gotta do the pull test and make sure this hair is not shedding, because we don't like no shedding. No shedding. I'm just gonna run our hands through here, and I'm actually not getting any hair at all, and I'm really pulling because I don't got time for that. I'll be yanking and combing my hair, so I need to make sure it ain't shedding. So no shedding, no scent. That's always a plus. So she did inform me that every bundle, every frontal, every piece of like curly raw hair that you order from her will have to be co-washed before you put it in your hair. Any hair that you get in the mail, you should co-wash anyway, because you just don't know the process of what the hair been through. You don't know if it's been sitting around in the factory all day. You just don't want to put that on your hair and then it be leaning against your face and it breaks you out. So always co-wash your bundles when you get hair. Am I an advocate for washing my bundles all the time? No, but I'm telling you guys to do it. She did want me to tell you guys that you guys have to co-wash the bundles before you apply it. So because another thing she explained is her raw hair is raw. So you know, some companies are like, yeah, this is raw Indian wavy hair. She said her hair is really raw. So exactly what's gonna happen to your real hair and like weather, like rain, is going to happen to this hair. A lot of her raw hair comes with conditioner in it to preserve the curls. So that's the frontal, and her bundles come with her little sticker on here, Journi B hair extensions. It doesn't have the sizes on here, but I believe I have an 18, a 20, and a 22. Or maybe it's a 20, 22, and 24, because I know I kind of like went up like that because I like my bundles like that, because I wanted to naturally layer like that. But these are the bundles, and they do smell like they got conditioner in it. So like I said, you guys have to co-wash the bundles. I really appreciate the hair looking like this. I know y'all probably think like it ain't really got no wave to it, but I feel like hair that has like perfect waves in it like that, it's like man-made. You know, if you ever seen somebody in a factory doing like the bundles and they kind of like make the hair look wavy, I feel like that's kind of false advertising, because once I wash that hair 9 times out of 10, that wave never comes back. So I'd rather see it like this and know that if I wash it, this is how it's going to look. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, but you guys are going to definitely see me make a wig out of this. But before I make a wig, I am going to use this hair as a ponytail. I think I'm gonna use like the 2 longest bundles to do like a little pony like that and then curl it, because you know I just like ponytails. For the most part, I really like the way this hair is feeling, and it's not shedding even though it has conditioner in it. That's basically it. Make sure you guys support Journi B hair, and thank you Danielle for sending me this hair. I'm so excited for your journey, girl. Entrepreneurship is on the way. It's not easy, but it's not hard either. All you gotta do is have a passion, a dream, and work towards it, and girl, you are doing your stuff. So make sure you guys support her, guys, and that's basically it. See you guys in my next video. Slay every day. Bye guys.